Guys, today we talk about how can you disable notifications uh, on your Decathlon app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, clicking this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here, come here to my communication preferences, just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down, come here to push notifications, just click in this sign or this color. Like you see here, color, it's gone. That's mean here push notifications disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.